Hello friends, cos a minus sin a plus 1 upon cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Let's prove that. Now first I will take here LHS. LHS is equal to cos a minus sin a plus 1 upon cos a plus sin a minus 1. Now after writing this LHS, see here this is minus sign. Therefore we write this way. See here, when we put here bracket, then internal sign changes. Internal sign changes means plus here, this plus becomes minus, and this minus already here minus sign becomes plus sign. Then we put here bracket also here, because here outside plus sign, therefore there is no change in inside signs. Therefore see this, cos a minus bracket sin a minus 1, and here cos a plus bracket sin a minus 1. Now we take conjugate pair of denominator. Conjugate pair of denominator means instead of plus sign, we write there minus sign. We take conjugate pair of this denominator. Now see this. Therefore, our LHS, see this. We take conjugate pair of this denominator and we multiply to numerator and denominator. Multiply to this numerator and denominator by same conjugate pair. See this, cos a minus, see this, sin a minus 1 upon here cos a plus bracket sin a minus 1. Now we take conjugate pair. See this, cos a, here instead of plus we write the minus, bracket sin a minus 1 upon same bracket, same this term sin a minus. Okay, now here LHS is equal to, see this, when we see this, we remove this bracket. Now here, then this becomes this way. See this, because of this minus sign, internal sign changes, means plus becomes minus becomes plus. Same here also, same here. See this, only at numerators. Now see this, cos a minus sin a plus 1, same here. Therefore we multiply to multiplication of this bracket and this bracket. Therefore we multiply cos a into cos a, cos square a, cos a into cos a, cos square a. Then we multiply to this minus sin a by cos a, means minus cos a into sin a. Then we multiply to this 1 by cos a, therefore plus cos a. I will write this. This step is very big one, therefore I will write from this. LHS. We multiply to this bracket by cos a, therefore cos square a, cos a into minus sin a into cos a. Then multiplication of cos a into 1 means plus cos a. Then we multiply to this bracket by minus sin a, therefore minus sin a into cos a. Then minus into minus plus sin square a, means sin a into sin a. Then minus plus minus sin a into 1 means sin a. Then we multiply to this bracket by 1. 1 into cos A means cos A. 1 into minus sin A means minus sin A. 1 into 1, 1. Upon denominator, see this denominator, that is like A plus B. Suppose this is A, then this is B. Then here also this is A, B. Then A plus B into A minus B. Then we use that formula. See, A square means cos square A minus A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square, means we put here minus sin A minus 1 bracket square. This way we use this formula. Now see this LHS is equal to cos square A, this cos square A and sin square A means 1. That is 1. I will write that finally. Now see here minus sin A cos A, and here also where is that? Minus sin A cos A. Minus sin A cos A minus sin A cos A means minus 2 sin A cos A. Means these are I have written here. Now cos A and here cos A means plus cos 2 cos A plus 2 cos A. Okay, then I have written this also. Minus sin A minus 2 sin A. Now plus cos square A plus sin square A, or sin square A plus cos square A means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here this way we write numerator. Now here expansion cos square A. Now instead of cos square A we use formula. Cos square A means 1 minus sin square A, means sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now we want cos square A, therefore we take sin square A to the right side. Therefore when we take this plus sin square A to the right side, then becomes cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. This way we use that formula. Then here minus expansion A minus B bracket square means A square, means here sin square A, minus A minus B means 2 minus 2 AB, means here minus 2. Suppose this is our A means sin A, this is B, then 1. There is no need to write, plus B square, here 1 square. Okay, then here see this, we take these two terms together, then we write here, see this, here minus and plus 2 cos A minus, okay. Now these two together and these two together, see this 2 cos A plus 2 cos A minus 2 sin A cos A, then minus this plus 2 I will write first, then minus 2 sin A upon here 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A, then we multiply to this bracket by minus sign, therefore this plus becomes minus, then this minus becomes plus 2 sin A, then this plus becomes minus, okay, then this plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, therefore now we write here, I will write from this. Now here we take 2 cos A common, 2 cos A common. I will take this 2 cos A common, then remaining 1 minus sin A, because we take 2 cos A common. Then here also plus 2 common, 1 minus sin A. We take 2 common, means 1 minus sin A. Denominator, see this, minus sin square A minus sin square A means 2 means minus 2 sin square A, minus 2 sin square A plus 2 sin A, means we take 2 common and sin. 2 sin A common, 2 sin A common, then remaining, when we take 2 sin A common, then remaining 1 minus sin A. See here, 2 sin A into 1 means 2 sin A. See this, plus into minus, 2, see this, 2 times 2 sin A into sin A, sin square A. Now here, see this again, 1 minus sin A common, 1 minus sin A and 1 minus sin A common, then remaining 2, see this, 2 plus 2 cos A upon here 2 sin A bracket 1 minus sin A. Therefore 1 minus sin A at numerator and denominator cancel. Now we write, see this, 2 common here. LHS is equal to again 2 common. When we take 2 common, then 1 plus cos A upon 2 sin A, 2 cancel. LHS is equal to, we give separate denominator to this one and cos A. Therefore 1 upon sin A plus, separately we write here cos A upon sin A. Now RHS is equal to 1 upon sin A means cosec A plus cos A upon sin A means cot A. These are formulae of 1 upon sin A means cosec A plus formula for this cot A. This is our RHS. Therefore finally we write LHS is equal to